Okay, ready for our manual uploading? Okay, so you click it here in our banking tab, upload from file. Okay, then you select the CSV file that you have saved. Okay, then click continue. Then, which account are these transactions for? Okay, so this one, before you do this, before I forget, okay, so you have to make sure that you have created the bank account inside your chart of accounts. Okay, so upon checking here, we have not yet created the bank account. Okay, so this is Chase. So this is banks. Okay, and this is checking Chase 891. So I placed the last four account number digits. Okay, so this is bank, checking, Chase, then click save. So we have Chase 6891 here. Okay, so let's go back again. Okay, go here, upload from file, then select the file. Okay, so this is it. Then after that, continue, and then you map that to the correct account number. Okay, so this is Chase 6891. Yes, it's the columns, date format here, date, credit. Okay, so if you are not seeing any notifications on top, meaning your file is okay, then you can check all of these transactions, click continue. Okay, then it will be imported to our file. Okay, let's check. So here is our Chase 6891. Okay, so let's check. Okay, do we have the credits? Okay, so we have the credits. Okay, good. And next will be, you are now good to categorize your transactions. It would be add, match, transfer, and also for creating bank rules. Okay,